Hi, just a quick little video. I picked these up at Primark, I think. Yeah, £1.50 for two little wind-up characters. A skeleton and a Frankenstein, I assume. Pretty cool. So, got a knife. Let's cut these from their card. There's the first one, the little skeleton. And the next one is Frankenstein. See how good they wind up. So, Frankenstein, skeleton. Are you terrified? Be afraid, be very afraid. Hours of fun. It's for 75p each, they're not bad. Hours of fun. I know Geek Strong would love these. They walk about the same speed. Actually quite fun. What fun. £1.50 for hours of enjoyment. Not bad. You can get these at Primark for £1.50. Not bad. Frankenstein and skeleton. Very cool. I don't know what the card is now. Oh, there it is. Wind up characters. £1.50. Pretty cool. Now they're dancing. Doing a waltz together. The thing I know is this costs hardly anything and it's going to get loads of views, whereas when I spent hundreds on the one single really expensive Star Wars figure and that hardly gets any views, you know. Ridiculous. See him from behind. Pretty cool. So if you get in Primark, pick these up. Trying to say goodbye and cheers. There. Bye.